Hi, this is Ali here from Grapes Automation. Today I'm here to showcase one of our projects in Kuala Lumpur, Desa ParkCity, in which we have implemented the Loxone smart home system in the condominium. So let's go in and check all the features what we have implemented in this condominium. This is the remote in which if the client is coming from the work, this remote to control the door. As you can see, if I can double click, this door is open. Either you have a remote Loxone remote. If you don't have, we have the NFC here in which you can use your pin code, your NFC key fob, your phone as a NFC. Let's come in. I will show you more further device. Here we have one LED ceiling light which comes with the sensor. Whenever you come in, the sensor will detect you and turn on the light. Here we have a smoke sensor again from the Loxone. For the main door, we have here this keypad. This one is integrated with the this door lock, wooden door lock. To access the door, we are using the NFC touch code. So either you have a key fob, either you have the pin code. You have to press the pin code. I am using pin code here, key fob here. So you can see the door is open. So in this house we are using NUKI, and it is integrated with this NFC which is outside and this touch pure flex. So you can see here the access control. If I can press, this is a foyer area. When I go in, this is a sensor here again. These all spots are from Loxone and it's a multicolor changeable color lights. These spots are the multicolor lights. So let's move in. We have here nicely built kitchen. In this island table, we have one of the amazing product here with the Loxone. This is the under Loxone surface switch. This switch can work with any surface, like it's a marble, wood, stone. Doesn't matter, it works perfectly fine. You have to tap it here. I can play music from this. We have a speaker one here. We have multiple speakers over there in the living and dining. We have multiple speakers in the rooms. We have 4 rooms here. Later I will show you everything. So let's move in the kitchen. We have again one sensor here on the ceiling, multiple spots all connected with the sensor. We have a touch pure flex which are customized icons. The owner can see easily. That's what we have to control here. You can see. So I am here in the living and dining area. Here we have installed multiple spots like RGBW LED strips under the curtain pavement. We have one ceiling sensor here, presence sensor. We have 2 speakers here. One smoke sensor installed in this area. To control those lights and music, we have 2 touch pure flex, one for dining, one for the living, and we have one iPad wall mount here which we have installed for the other areas as well. We have 2 ACs here which is controlled again with the Loxone AC control device. Those connected with the air protocol, and that smoke sensor also connected with the air protocol. The sensors here in this house, in this area, all comes with the presence sensor which has built-in motion sensor, brightness sensor, and the acoustic sensor. So if there's enough light in this area, those lights are not turned on. Purpose to that to save energy when there's enough brightness. So let's move on the other area. I will show you what device we have installed in the master room and other areas, other rooms as well. In this house, we have all Mitsubishi aircons, and all those aircons are integrated with Loxone using Loxone AC control air device. We customize the flexes. Here we have AC icon. So if I turn on the AC will turn on, and I can control the temperature of the AC. I can control the mode. If I either choose auto, fan mode, or cool mode, I can choose the fan speed. There's option of the silent fan, low, medium, and high, and I can choose any temperature what I have to, and then it works based on the intelligent room control, because this switch has a built-in temperature sensor flex, so it detects the temperature of the room and send the signal to the AC. I off it as well from here. So this is how we have installed Loxone smart home system in this house, and we can do more amazing projects we are doing now, and hopefully we will showcase more projects on our upcoming videos. If you are really interested in the smart home system, so please contact us. We will help you to automate your place